Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete messages from your message box in Instagram app. Let's launch the Instagram first guys, and then let's click on the upper right corner so we can launch our messages, so we can find out who messages and how we can actually proceed. So guys, unfortunately, with the recent updates, things have become a little more complicated. If you look left and right, you're not gonna find any delete button, you're not gonna find any option for you to delete your messages, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to hold on the message that you want to delete, and I want you to swipe on the left. You're gonna start seeing buttons. The first button will be on red, then it's gonna be general, and then you're gonna swipe and there's gonna be another option which it says more, okay? Now click on more. Here you will find an option essentially to click delete. Okay, when you click delete, permanently will delete your chat. This means that neither you or them will be able to go back on this chat. This chat simply got deleted and it will disappear. This is how people usually delete their chats, and then they go and block the other account. If you want to block someone and delete the messages, this is how you want to go about it. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and like this video.